Hi, beautiful people. This is Tamika Armstrong, also known as Snap to Be. I would have came on here to let you see me kneading and all that, but I had to work this bread. So what I'm doing is, this is just a little short video. I'm making sandwich bread. Nothing spectacular. This is something I'm using. Hope you can see. Hopefully I'm on the right path. I made some before, but it was in a smaller loaf pan. So now it's on its second rise. And I'm working with active yeast. So I let it proof earlier for about 2 hours or so. And then I kneaded and I tried to roll it up like they said, but that didn't work. But anywho, so we're going to see. I'll show you the results after, if it's a hit or miss. I will come back and show you the results. But so far, it seemed like it is. So now it's said to proof about 45 minutes, but I'm going to let it stay and let it proof till it get as close to the top of this pan. So I have some other things to do. And I should have my bread. Now, I did make me some copycat of 57 Heinz. Hold on. This is my Heinz 57 sauce that I made. I just put it in this jar. I saved these jars. I mean, why not? I don't see anything wrong with it. But yes, this is my copycat of the Heinz 57. And this is my bread that is proofing the second rise. And I'll come back and show you the results. Hi, beautiful people. I'm back. I just wanted to show you my bread I made from yesterday. I showed you it in the pan proofing. And I'm going to show you because I use instant yeast and I didn't want to overproof it. So here goes. I want to show you before I fix my my breakfast. I'm going to see how it does with, how, you know, by me putting it in the oven and making it as toast. But here goes. Okay, now I'm working with one hand, so be very patient. This is the bread that I made yesterday. Again, I use instant yeast. So I'm gonna I have my bread knife. I'm gonna slice me a slice just to see, and put some strawberry preserves on top just to see how it is, or how it does, you know, in the oven as toast. And I'll come back with the completed, or the plated plate of food. Nothing spectacular, just my usual breakfast. And I'll show you everything. So I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I just wanted to show you the bread itself. This lighting, it's rather dark on top, but this is bread. I sliced a piece off last night. It was good. Bread from now on. Again, I use instant yeast, and I wanted to just take it out so you can see the overall and the texture of it. Excuse my hand, but so you can see the overall texture. It's bread. So like I said, I'm going to slice me a slice and put it in the oven as toast. And I wanted you to see the bread itself. I just laid it on the top of the container that it's in. But I'll be back with the completed plate. Peace out. Okay, my beautiful people. This is the completed plate. I wanted this is real, raw, uncut, unfiltered, unedited, and unscripted. The first egg that I did, why I only have one, it's because it was just a little bit too jammy. I would have shown that, but I was trying to get the egg up because, you know, if it sticks, hey, I don't want that to happen. And I tore this one up. Hey, this is a real, raw, uncut, unfiltered, unedited moment. Plus, I was a little hungry, and I wanted you to see my toast. So, hope you can hear that. It's toast of the bread that I made. And I just have my pickled onions, red onions that I made, and just a kiwi and a piece of sausage with a little chili crisp on top. And that's it. And I have some water. And this is my breakfast. Okay, this is the last of the video. This is my bread that I made. I just put a piece of romaine lettuce. And this is my turkey burger. You can check out my videos. I show you how I prep those to put them in the freezer. Out of a pack of ground turkey, I can get 4 patties. And this is my homemade Heinz 57. And I have my tomatoes that are cut up. I'm going to assemble my burger. I'm hungry. And I have some fries. that I have in the oven. And that's it. And just put some jalapeno slices on it. And that's it. Simple meal. And I hope you enjoy it. As I always say, I hope you people have a great day. Peace out.